Say good morning, y'all. Tell him, say good morning. He mad because he want to go through a car wash. John. It's 8 o'clock, y'all, and I'm on my way to drop him off at school. He wanted to go inside the gas station. We had to stop and get gas. But I paid at the pump, so we ain't going in the store. But he think he slid. He want to go in there and get something. Jonah, you gonna have a good, happy day at school? Huh? We gonna go through the car wash when I pick you up.
No.
What? Say hey to my YouTube. You not feeling it today? Okay. But if we go to the car wash now, you'll be late for school.
No.
What? Mommy need to go to the car wash too. Jonah, you got your lunchbox ready? Yes. You gonna have a happy day? Yes. You gonna behave in class today? Oh, yes. Jonah? Yes. You gonna
No.
be? Yes. You gonna behave? What? Jonah. Good morning, y'all. I hope y'all having a good morning. Oh, bless you. What was that? A cough and a sneeze? She just gonna pull out. And it's a bus driver. A school bus driver at that. I know they be on the time frame, but safety, you got to watch where you're going. Shoot. Now, can you say hey to my YouTube?
No.
What? Okay. He's next time, huh? Y'all, he go to a sit down. Do I need to put you in that baby car seat? Huh?
No.
Okay, well sit on your bottom.
The bus?
Yeah, it's the school bus. I wonder where they're going. Where you think they're going, Jonah? Where's your wife? Let me see. Here, I'm gonna give you a wipe. Wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. I'm looking at you. Wipe your nose. Really, Jonah? Wipe your nose. Did you wipe it? Y'all, did he wipe his nose? We're gonna have a good day, right? But y'all, he go to this school. It's this early learning center. I think it's early literacy. What? Yeah, so it's an early literacy, but it's only VPK through second grade. and they only have ESE VPK, so it's crazy. But I heard so much good things about the school that I wanted him to go there at least, to get the therapy. It's a small classrooms, but yeah. So next year he had to go to our zone school, and so I drive about 10-15 minutes from my house to drop him off Monday through Friday. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It's okay. It's okay for like a public school. It's okay. It's very, very small. So, and it actually was. I went there in elementary. So I graduated elementary, 5th grade from there. I went there in kindergarten, and 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, and they closed it down for a while, and then when they opened it back up, they opened it as a literacy center. And I think at first it went up to like 3rd grade. It wasn't always like a full elementary, but it stopped at 2nd grade. And of course, if he wasn't in ESE, because he gets on his IEP, he gets speech therapy, and because he's in ESE and they only have ESE VPK, then he got to go to my zone school, which I'm looking. Hopefully I can find something similar to this school. I don't mind driving to take him where he need to be at, like a smaller class setting, but I don't know. We'll see. Jonah, you gonna say good morning now to my YouTube?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. It's Friday. He was like, let's just get this school stuff over with. What you gonna say to my camera though? What you gonna say to the YouTube? What you gonna say to the folks? You ain't gonna say nothing? All right, y'all, I'm about to pull over because I put, yeah, we're gonna see the hill. I like to put, I'm gonna stop. Come on, Jonah, we're gonna get in the front seat. I get him in the front seat because he be struggling to like he don't be wanting to get out. Come on, sit on your bottom. Sit on your bottom, boy. You know the routine. And literally the school right here. We went on like this little side road. Sit back. Like you see, he locked my seatbelt, put the thing around it, and I can't get it from unwrap. Sit back, baby. Look, tell him. Say, hi. Now you want to say hi? Say see you later. Y'all, this is so funny. What Jonah did to my camera. Yo, this is so funny. So, it's this particular teacher at this school. I don't know why Jonah do this, but he literally called this teacher. He's a TA, so he's an assistant. My bad, I'm just adjusting my camera a little bit. He called this teacher dad and daddy. So I don't know, the camera, when he grabbed the camera, it cut off. But when he be getting out the car, I be embarrassed sometimes because, y'all, he got a daddy. He know his daddy. His daddy is involved. But for what is weird, because, that Lion King song, what is it, for the new video, something brother or whatever. So he started calling, like other kids, sister, brother. Okay, cool. Those are your friends. Your friends, Jonah. That's why I tell him. Then all of a sudden, he started calling the teacher dad and daddy. And I'm just like, that's weird, Jonah. Like, and he definitely know his daddy. See his daddy every day. It's something he caught on. But with Jonah, I just want to give y'all like a little, little motivation or a little, talk to y'all something about something today.